This is a small internal mixer used in our laboratory. This machine uses a 380-volt power supply, 0.6 megapascal air source. Firstly, connect to our leakage protector. 3-phase. 1 3-phase 5-wire system. A neutral wire, a ground wire, 3 firing wires. When connecting, look at the marks on this. All are marked. Then the device needs to connect air source. 0.6 MPa. Adjust the pointer to between 5 and 6. Once this switch is pressed down, it won't turn. Then pull it up when you want to adjust it. Counterclockwise decrease, clockwise increase. Let's first turn on the power. The light is red at this time. Unscrew, go straight. Enter the system. It has English interface and Chinese interface. It's Chinese now. Click here. It will be in English. Into the system. I'll use the Chinese system first. Enter the system. Let's enter the parameter interface first. Set the rotational speed of the mixer rotor. Such as, set to 25 revolutions per minute. The fastest is 50, cannot exceed 50. The mixing time can be set arbitrarily. Now we set it to 3 minutes. This is the material flipping time, usually 20 seconds. This is the heating temperature. For example, I want 45 degrees. Then turn on the heating. If heating is not required, turn it off. This represents the current temperature inside the material barrel. If testing plastic samples, I need to heat it to the melting point of the plastic. If it is a rubber sample, no need to turn on the temperature switch. Positive rotation of rotor. The pressure cylinder descends. Automatic downward pressure. The pressure cylinder rises. Cover cylinder descent. Cover cylinder reset. There are no issues with the functionality. This is a material flip. Let's press it. Look, this hopper turned over from here. Return the material to its original position. Test the machine's functionality without any issues, then begin testing. Enter the control interface. Then you can press this. Rotor startup. Put the prepared test samples in. Then click on the pressure cylinder to descend. Click on the protective cover cylinder. Then wait. . Small materials can be added during this process. Put it in batches. This indicates the mixing time of the test sample. How long does the timer run? "3 minutes to arrive." Then click on the Material Flip button. Then pull out the tray. Rotor reversal, mixed material. If you want to take out the test sample, we need to first lower the rotor speed. The speed has decreased. Then click Stop. The rotor must stop running before the sample can be taken out. Take out our materials. This is silicone material, it's a bit sticky. Click on the rotor to reverse, and the sample inside will be rotated out. If there are still residual samples inside, stop first. Then clean up the residual samples. This is the test sample after mixing. Click to return the material to its original position. After resetting, click on the cover cylinder. It's over. This is where the water pipe is connected. One in, one out. This is for water connection. This is entering. This is out. Can cool the material warehouse.